Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel 365 Blend Bytes. In today's PowerPoint tutorial, we are going to create a stunning slide design using fly-in animation with a smooth bounce effect at the end to showcase quarterly sales performance. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support truly means the world to me. To get started, open the PowerPoint application. Go to the Design tab. Under Variants, choose Colors, and select the paper color. Then, under Variants again, click on the drop-down and go to Effects. From there, select Glossy Effect. Now go to Format Background. Select Gradient Fill. Under Preset Gradients, choose the top Spotlight Accent 1 gradient option. Next, go to the Insert tab. Select Shapes. Choose the rectangle shape and draw it on the slide. Set its height to 16.5 centimeters and width to 7.5 centimeters. Under Shape Styles, choose any theme style with the intense effect. Next, go to Shape Fill and choose Dark Green, darker 50%. Then go to Shape Effects. Navigate to Preset and select Preset 2. Next, go to Insert tab. Pick a text box and place it on top of the rectangle shape. Type the text Product 1. Align it to the middle. Change the font to Dagger Square and set the font size to 28. Under Text Fill, choose Dark Green lighter 60% as the text color. Resize the text box and position it at the top center of the slide by following the red dotted guidelines for precise alignment. While the text box is selected, go to Shape Format. Under Text Effects, choose Shadow. Then select Offset Right. Next, go to Insert tab again. Navigate to Shapes. This time, select the rounded top corner rectangle. Draw the shape on the slide. Rotate it like this. Set its height to 1.1 centimeters and width to 1.5 centimeters. Select the first large rectangle shape. Go to the Home tab. Click on Format Painter and apply the same formatting to the small shape. Place it properly, ensuring it's aligned with the main rectangle like this. Now, navigate to the Insert tab and select Chart. Choose Pie Chart. Then select the Donut Chart option and hit OK. Next, replace the default table data with your actual sales data. In this demonstration, I am using sample data. Once done, close the Excel sheet. While the chart is selected, go to Format tab. Under Size Group, set the height to 11.4 centimeters and the width to 6.3 centimeters. Align the chart on the first rectangle like this using the Smart Guides. Go to Chart Design. Choose Style 5. Move to Format tab. Set the chart's text color to dark green lighter 60% to match the Product 1 theme. Select the chart, then click once on any single segment within the donut chart to activate it. Gently drag the selected segment outward to create a slight separation from the rest, enhancing the visual clarity and overall presentation. Now duplicate the text box that says Product 1. Change the text to P1. Set the font size to 16. Position it over the small top rounded rectangle. Align it precisely using the alignment guides to ensure accurate placement. Press Ctrl A to select all elements on the slide. Right-click and choose Group. This action combines all shapes and the chart into a single unit, allowing you to move them seamlessly while maintaining their layout. Copy the group using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Place the copy next to the first shape like this. Repeat this 2 more times to have a total of 4 identical shapes in a row. Select the grouped shapes and reposition them to ensure a neat and well-aligned layout for a polished appearance. Now, select the second shape. Right-click and choose Send to Back. Do the same for the third and fourth shapes. This brings the small top shapes to the front, giving it a layered look. Update the text in the small top rectangles. Change P1 to P2, P3, and P4 accordingly. Next, select the second shape. Go to the Shape Format tab, and under Shape Fill, apply the color dark green, lighter 25%. For the text fill, choose dark green, lighter 40% to maintain a consistent and refined color theme. For the third shape, go to the Shape Format tab and apply the fill color dark green, lighter 40%. Set the text fill color to dark green, darker 25%. For the fourth shape, apply the fill color dark green, lighter 60%, and set the text fill to dark green, darker 80% to create a smooth gradient progression across all shapes. Apply similar colors to the charts in each group to match their corresponding rectangles. This helps maintain a consistent and professional design. Position each subsequent small shape slightly lower than the one before, ensuring that each is placed halfway lower to create a distinctive staggered visual effect. Now, select the second chart. Go to the Chart Design tab and choose Change Chart Type. From the available options, select Clustered Column Chart and click OK. Now we have successfully replaced the chart from a donut to a clustered column chart. Next, click on Edit Data and update the table with your sales figures, then close the table. Now, select the third chart. Go to Chart Design and click Change Chart Type. Select the 3D pie chart. And click OK. From the style, choose Style 10. Then click Edit Data and update it with your sales values. Next, select the fourth chart. Go to Chart Design, choose Change Chart Type. And this time select the line chart with markers. After confirming, click Edit Data and enter your corresponding sales data. Each chart now represents a unique style, visually distinguishing the quarterly sales breakdown. If you prefer to add data labels on each chart, right-click on each chart and choose Add Data Labels. Next, duplicate the slide. On the first slide, gradually shift the grouped shapes towards the left one by one, maintaining the sequence, where P1 remains at the front, and P4 stays at the back. Use the red dotted guidelines to ensure precise alignment throughout the transition. Now, go to the Insert tab, select Text Box, and draw it on the slide. Enter the title, Product-Wise Quarterly Performance. Set the font to Dagger Square. And increase the font size to 60. Center align the text. Highlight the words Product-Wise. And apply a dark green color. Then, change the remaining text to light green, 60%. Finally, position the text box neatly on the slide for a balanced and professional appearance. Go to Shape Format. Under Text Effects, select Bevel. And choose Soft Round. Then go to Shadow. Click on Shadow Options. In the Format Shape pane, set Blur to 15 points and Distance to 10 points. Close the pane. Now go to Insert. Choose Icons. In the search bar, type Graph. Pick a graph icon of your choice and click Insert. Increase its size. Under Graphics Format, set the fill color to dark green. Then go to Graphic Effects. Under Preset, choose Preset 5. Now we are ready to animate everything. Go to the second slide. Press Ctrl-A to select all elements. Go to Animations and choose Fly In. Under Effect Options, set the direction to From Left. Set the duration to 3.0 seconds. For Start, choose with Previous. Open the Animation pane. Select all animations. Right-click on any one of them, and go to Effect Options. Set the bounce end to 0.9 for seconds. Click OK. Finally, update the product title on each shape from 1 to 2, 3, and 4 respectively. Now preview the slide in full screen to see the final result. This is how you can create an engaging and animated slide presentation using PowerPoint. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.